Welcome my dear students to the part 1 of today's session. In this module, we will be discussing about projectile motion. Projectile is an object which is thrown with some initial velocity and after that it moves under the influence of gravity alone. In short, we can say projectile motion is motion with a constant horizontal velocity combined with a constant vertical acceleration, and the projectile moves along a parabola. So, the path of the projectile is parabolic, which is shown in the graph. So, it is an example for two-dimensional motion since a parabola is represented in a plane. At any point, we will be having the horizontal and vertical components of velocity. If theta is the angle at which an object is projected with reference to the x-axis, then the component of initial velocity u along the x direction will be u cos theta, and the component of velocity along the y direction uy is equivalent to u sin theta. Acceleration along the x-axis will be 0 and acceleration along the y-axis will be minus g. The negative sign is given since g is always vertically downwards. So suppose at any time t, the object is at the point P. For motion along the horizontal direction, we have discussed that the acceleration ax is 0. The position of the object at any time t is given by x minus x0 is equivalent to uxt plus half axt square. We are taking the reference point here to be 0. That is, the projectile is starting from the origin. So, x0 is equivalent to 0. Ux is equivalent to u cos theta as we had discussed, and ax is equivalent to 0. Substituting these values, we get x is equivalent to ut cos theta, or t is equivalent to x by u cos theta. For motion along the vertical direction, ay is equivalent to minus g. So, the position of the object at any time t along the vertical direction is given by y minus y0 is equivalent to uy of t plus ay t square. Substituting the values as y0 is equivalent to 0 and ay is equivalent to u sin theta, we get y is equivalent to u sin theta into t minus half g into t square. So, we have already discussed that t is equivalent to x by u cos theta. Substituting the value of t in the equation for y, we get y is equivalent to u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half g into x by u cos theta whole square, or y is equivalent to x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square theta. This is the required path or projectile. The above equation for y is in the form y is equivalent to ax plus bx square, where a and b are constants. This is the equation of a parabola. Thus, we can say the path of a projectile is a parabola. Hope you might have understood about projectile motion. Thank you, dear students.